All right, chat. 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 Fuck, 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 fuck. Nope, nope, nope. I'm not touching it yet, chat. Want to see it retrace there. Want to see it retrace there. I want to use that. I want to use it for buy. All right, I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in, chat. I'm going in, chat. Wow. Wow, this fill is ugly, bro. This is the worst fill. This is the worst fill. This is the worst fill, bro. Pangit ng fill, bro. I got filled like right here, bro. What is that? What is that fill, bro? That's the ugliest fill I got. Alright, chat. I'm targeting London High, chat. Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. We have 1 minute, chat. Let's go, chat. Those are relative equal highs. I like those. Alright, I'm long here. I'm long after this change in state of delivery. I got filled here because of that. I don't know. It I think it was slippage. I am placing my stop loss just below this breaker or below the body of this order block. I'm targeting London high right here. So let's see what happens, chat. 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 Bro, my risk here is like 0.6 instead of 0.5. So bad. That's a very bad feel, bro. I don't like that. Hopefully news is on our side. What's up? What's up, chat? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, chat? 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 How are you guys? How are you guys? How are you guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome to my live stream, brothers and sisters. We have 3 minutes left. I think if we fill this, I'm gonna go break even. Once we fill this, 1 hour fair value gap, I'm gonna go break even. I'm gonna cut the risk immediately because this can easily go down and stop me out. Okay. So be careful, be careful. We have 2 minutes left. If it doesn't displace here and trade above this order block, I will cut the risk immediately. So I want to see 8 o'clock open. At least right here. Just not below this London low, because that is a problem. If we open below this London low, then that's bad. That's bad. So want to see us open above London low. That would be better. All right, chat. We're tracing chat. Retracing chat. All right, we have 40 seconds left here. 30 seconds left here, chat. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left here, chat. If you close below the London low, that's a problem. I will cut the risk immediately. What is this? This is trading, bro. This is trading, bro. This is trading, brother. Forex trading. If you know Forex trading. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. I want to see us displays there. Once we tag this line, I will immediately go break even. Okay? I'll place my stop right here. I will place my stop right here in this breaker. Okay? So I want to see displacement here. If price touches this line and then reject, that's bad. So I'm gonna trail my stop right there. Once we tag this line, that is the 1 hour CB. Want to see displacement here, chat? Want to see displacement here, chat? I want to see it touch this line. Want to see it touch that line. Want to see it touch that line. I need like a 3.5 to pass. All right, chat. All right, chat. All right, chat. Kind of uh, taking time. It's taking time. All right, that's the touch there in that fair value gap. That's the touch. I want to see it displays higher now, chat. Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat.
Mm.
All right, chat. All right, chat. Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. Chat, 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 chat. Let's go, chat. I want to see this go up, chat. Yes, chat. Want to see this go up, chat. Chat, 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 chat. Let's go, chat. Freak. What's up, boss? Starleo. Madula. What's up, bossing? Kamusta, boss? Pangit ng feel ko talaga. Kapal ng spreads sa ACG. Enter ako dito. I entered here. Dito yung feel ko. Grabe. Grabing spreads yan, brah. That's so kapal, bro. That is so kapal, brah. I want to see this candlestick close open inside this FEG. I want to see it's close open there. There you go. We opened at the upper half. I think that's good. That's a good reaction. Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. Ayos lang po sa YouTube. Kano. Oo, boss. Naban kasi ako sa ano. Dun sa isa. Sa isang platform. Why is this going down? Why is this going down? I don't like this, chat. I don't like this, chat. Okay, so we have the order block here. I hope it respects this order block. Order block plus this breaker. I hope it respects it. We still have 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes to close this. Ah, what is happening? What is happening, chat? Why is this going down, chat? Doesn't make sense, chat. We did not fill the 1 hour gap, so it doesn't make sense. Why? I think this is just a repricing here and this breaker, and we'll resume going up again. Alright, guys, I'm currently down $134, bro. Dito yung fill ko. My stop loss is just below the body. Let's go, chat. I want to see this close above this change in state or inside the FEG. That's preferable. That's preferable. That's preferable. If we close inside, open inside. We have 1 minute and 30 seconds. Right, 1 minute left. I want to see this close above at least CAST because this doesn't look good. Okay, it should do close above. To be honest, this doesn't make sense to me. Huh? Nangyari? Ba't naglalag? I don't know. This doesn't make sense. Why it's doing this? But I don't know. If pumunta man to sa stop loss, it is what it is. We're still inside of this breaker though, so that's my last defense. This breaker right here. My stop loss is just below that. Bro, I literally top tick the entry, bro. Na top tick ko yung entry. Wow. That's so nice. Top ticking. This is how you top tick, guys. I top ticked it, bro. I wanna see us recover here. Go up, go up. Sa'yo ang awitin. Sa'yo ang awitin. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang aking awitin. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. Breaker, 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 breaker in action, breaker in action. Breaker in action, brothers and sisters. Breaker, breaker. I think the reason why nag-drop siya dito is because this is the FVG. That is anchored to that lower quadrant ng daily wick. Lower quadrant, daily wick. I think that's the reason why. It's probably the reason why. Right? I want to see us close above the FEG. That would be nice. Or at least above the midpoint. That would be nice. That would be nice if you can do that. Ano po target? London High. I'm looking for London Highs to be taken out. Once you take out the London High, that's my target. Ito pala, we have 1 hour CB here, fair value gap. So if ma-rebalance to, I will move my stops to break even. But I don't know, it's not giving me an opportunity right now to go break even. So I'll just let this thing, let the trade work, bruh. We are still in the upper half of this order block, so that still looks bullish to me. Mean threshold. I think once we start closing below, that is like the red flag. If we start close below this midpoint mean threshold. But as long as we're above that, oh, actually we hit it to the tick, bro. Look at that. Look at that precision. Look at this. Grabe. That's a nice bounce. I mean threshold, bruh. That's like very algorithmic. Yeah. Yay, 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 yay. Once matake out to, I will trail my stop loss below this low. I want to see us close above the FEG, above the midpoint. We're starting to cross the line. We have 3 minutes left. 3 minutes and 10 seconds to close above. Right? Come, I kind of like this. I'm kind of liking this. Kind of liking this chat. Kind of liking this chat. All right, let's go chat. 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 Chat, 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 chat. Where you at, chat? 2 minutes, 2 minutes left. I want to see us take out this high. All right. Nice, 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 nice. Right there, crossing FBG's high. Okay, 1 minute 30 seconds left. All right, all right, all right. We're flying. We're flying. We're back. We're back. Put the stop loss in the wait. Not yet. Not yet. Boom. There you go. Place your stop loss below this low here, and this one as well. I'm placing my trailing my stop loss, guys. Okay, just trailing my stop loss now. Managing this properly. Managing it properly, guys. Once we take out this line right here, gonna trail my stop loss here in this line, in this let's call it yellow line. This is where I will trail it once we rebalance the 1 hour fair value gap right here. All right, all right, all right. We're going, chat. We're going, chat. We're going, chat. All right, chat. All right, chat. All right, chat. All right, chat. Here we go, chat. May news pala tayo, no? 8:30. Oh, damn, bro. Damn, bro. All right, I'm trailing my stop. I'm trailing my stop. I'm trailing my stop loss. I'm trailing my stop loss, guys. I'm trailing my stop loss. I'm trailing my stop loss. All right, I want to protect this. I want to protect this position, bro. What do we have? We have news durable goods orders, MOM. Okay? What's that? I don't know. But this is where our stop loss now. And I'm gonna target London high. Right there. Right there, right there. Right there, chat. What's up, Star Z? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Alright, chat. Alright, chat. Alright, chat. Alright, chat. We're rebalancing the 1 hour gap, chat. Look at this. Look at this, chat. Rebalancing the 1 hour gap. Alright, alright. That's why our stop loss is trailed now here. I don't want to see it go back here. Alright, chat. Alright, chat. Alright, chat. It should displace higher, chat. Should start displacing, chat. Because we have news at 8:30. Wait, let me read the news for Alpha Capital Group facts. Because I'm trading my funded account and I don't want to be caught. Okay, on our qualified analyst, you are not permitted to execute any sort of announcement, blah 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 blah. 5 minutes for blah blah blah. To clarify, we define executing a trade and opening and closing. Blah 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 blah. Blah. This will be classified as a soft breach, and any profit acquires will not be eligible for a performance fee. Okay. Okay. Just gonna delete my TP. Alright, chat. Alright, chat. Alright, chat. Alright, chat. I think I'm gonna hold this chat. Gonna hold this chat. I kind of like holding this chat. I want to see us close above the London low. That would be nice if we can close above London low. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Kane Pedros. Pablo Job. Who's that, bruh? Who is that, bruh? All right, chat. All right, chat. We're going, chat. We're going up, chat. We're going up. 3. We're going up, chat. We're going up, chat. We're going up, chat. We're going up. My stop loss is already trailed, so I don't worry about this trade now. I don't care if I get stop out right here. I want to see 825. This place is like give us a distance so that we don't worry about getting stopped. Give us distance. Come on, come on. I don't have my TP adjusted. Don't break my heart. Say you love me again. Undo the hurt. Stop game. Any loss in encouraging news or all right, chat. That's a good close right there. I like that, chat. I like that, chat. I like that, chat. Want to see us displace even higher here, chat. You have a lot of target here to the upside. But I can close my trade at 8:30, so I'm gonna hold this. Gonna hold this trade. 8:28 to 8:32. I'm not allowed to execute any trade, so I'm not gonna be touching my trade. Only in my equity edge account I can do that because it's still in the challenge phase. No, 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 no. Let me read equity edge. News, news, news. Two minutes before and 2 minutes after high impact news events. All right, chat. Wish me luck, chat. Wish me luck, chat. We have news at 8:30. I'm not allowed to execute 8:28 to 8:32. Ma, Wish me luck, chat. Wish me luck, chat. 828. Now I can't execute now. I can't execute the two. This one as well, ACG. FTMO. I can't do that because it's still in the challenge. News trading in FTMO is allowed. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, guys. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. What's up, Zoilo? What's up, si ano to ah? Si Shayon. What's up, Shayons? Challenge to boss, tas funded tinatrade ko ngayon. Yung funded ko, naka ano lang, um, walang TP kasi baka ma-trigger 8:30 eh. May news. Just want to be very careful here. Okay, let me check the news. Unemployment claims. Better. Unemployment claims. 30 seconds, chat. 30 seconds, chat. Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. We're up. We're up $300. We're up 300. Deep breath. All right, chat. That's the news. Wow. The spread is so thick. That's a thick ass spread, bruh. That's a thick ass spread. What a spread is that? Okay, okay. Okay, that's a good news. That's a good news. Not really volatile, but I can only execute at 8:30, 8:33. That's the earliest. That's the earliest. Okay, I'll set an alarm. 8:33, 9:33 pala. What the fuck is this, bro? Set alarm 9:33, bro. Set alarm 9:33. What? Set alarm 9:33, bro. Come on. Set alarm 9:33 p.m. Let's go. All right, guys. We have a fair value gap here, guys. All right, chat. All right, chat. All right, chat. I want to see this FEG holds, guys. All right, chat. All right, chat. I want to see this FEG supports price, chat. Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. 8:33. That's when I can resume execution shit, bro. Right. That's a good signature. If we don't fill this gap, that's a good signature. It's a good signature right there. All right. All right, chat. We're back. Spreads is so thick still in ACG. Bruh, this is thick ass spread, bruh. Take as spread. There you go, chat. It's officially 8:33. Now I can move my TP again. Let's go, chat. I'm setting my TP to London High again. Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. I like this chat. I like this chat. We have an inversion FEG here. I like this chat. I like this chat. I like this chat. Let's go, chat. Alright, 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 alright. We have 40 minutes, 40 seconds pala. Alright, guys. Let's go. Let's go up. Let's go up. Let's go up. Let's go up, chat. Bruh. Gag. FBG. FBG. Patient. With for inverse. Inverse. Secret. We're going up, up, up. That's our moment. You know, together we're going. Gonna be golden. Patterns to break these walls down. To wake up and feel like me. But this patterns is all in the past now. To finally live with a girl that I don't see. No more hiding. Alright, chat. Magko-close na yung New York Open Kill Zone. So, we need to be aware kung nasaan yung New York high and low. So, for now, this is New York high. I hope it continues delivering higher. to break these walls down, to wake up and feel like me. But this patterns is all in the past now. To finally live like the girl they all see. No more hiding now, be shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming how we can so find out. I know I believe we're going up, up, up. This our moment. You know the God we're going. Gonna be golden. Oh, up, up, up with our voices. You know the day they're going. I'm done hiding now, be shining. Delikado tayo dito 5 minutes. Like I'm born to be. Oh, our time, no fears, no lies. Delikado tayo dito, guys. Okay. That's a wick. That's a wick. That's a wick, chat. Hopefully it reverses up. 15-minute candles about to open. Okay, you have 15 minutes fair value gap. I want to see this 15 minutes fair value gap stay open. Although it can do that. It can retrace, but I don't really like. I want to see it stay open. If it stays open, then we're good. We're good. We're gonna really go up, you know? There you go. I'm tagged right there, and I want to see price go higher from here. Trading is so easy. All you need to look for is a support level like this double bottom. Place a buy limit right here. Put your stop loss below the low, and then target this. Trading is so easy. All you need to look for is a support level like this double bottom. Place a buy limit right here. Put your stop loss below the low, and then target this high. Wait for a retracement. All right, chat. I want to see us close above this wick, chat. Let's do that, chat.